Merging cells to center the contents of a single cell within a range of multiple cells is a fairly common practice among Excel users. However, this approach is far from optimal as it disrupts the tabular structure of the worksheet. The easiest way to verify this is to try to select one of the affected columns. As you can see, the selection is automatically expanding in the wrong way. And this is just one example. The merge and center command can also cause problems when working with key combinations, writing formulae, or creating macros in VBA. That's why I recommend that you always avoid merging cells. It really only complicates the subsequent analysis and processing of data in Excel. And if you need to center the cell content exactly like this, then better use the following approach. Select the cells that should be merged and open the cell formatting window. You can do this either by clicking on this symbol under the Home tab or by using the key combination Ctrl+1. Here, under the Alignment tab, select the Center Across Selection option from this list. OK, and as a result, the text is aligned to the center of the previously selected range of cells. Visually, everything looks the same as when merging cells, but this time, the sheet structure is not disrupted and we can easily select columns and work with them. If this video was useful for you, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.